Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create split blocks in Klaviyo that let you divide product sections into two columns, and it stays perfectly fine in dark mode as well. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. You have two columns here with different items, and when you click each individual one, it takes you to that designated item. So first you want to upload your design into Klaviyo how you normally do it. As you can see here, this is just an example that we're going to use for today. And we want to link this product sections to each individual product. So what you want to do is you want to crop the design just up until the product section. So as you can see, this is where the product section starts, so we're just going to crop it up until here and save that. Next, what you want to do is you want to drag the split block where the product section is supposed to be. So let's drag it down here. And right now it's text blocks. You want to change both of them to be image blocks. Click styles up here and remove this spacing, set it to 0, and set the block padding to 0 as well. And finally, you want to check off no mobile stacking and save that. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the left column and re-upload the whole design. Then crop, and crop it all the way down to where you left off up here, so just to the product section. And click save. Now you want to click on the right column, upload an image, and upload this crop that you just did. So you don't want to re-upload the whole thing, just upload the one that you just cropped. So now they're both the same height. Now click on the right column, click crop, scroll all the way down, and whatever your width is, you want to divide it by 2. So in this case, it would be 300. Drag it all the way to the right so that we're cropping the right side. Then height, you want to crop it just where this product section ends, so on that line. Then you want to scroll all the way down and copy this height so we can make the left column the same height. And you want to click save. Now click on the left column, crop, scroll all the way down, set the width to 300 and keep it on this side. And height, you want to paste the same one that was on the right column, so 391 in this case. Click save. And now this column is done. But if you have more than one row, what you want to do is duplicate, scroll down to the second row, click on the left column, crop, and you don't want to just move the whole crop because that's going to affect it in dark mode. You might leave some spaces and it might not be even. So what you want to do is you want to grab the top of the crop and drag it all the way down till where that product ends. So there, scroll all the way down and copy the height, click save. Now you want to click on the right column in the second row, crop, and do the same thing. Just drag it down and just paste whatever height you copied from here and keep the width. And just redo that step for as many rows as you have. Now finally, you want to link these two to individual products. So let's go and do that. Okay, now that we have the products linked, you want to add alt text, so just the product name. And this row is fully done. So let's see if it works. So preview, scroll all the way down, and it works perfectly. Now you also want to send yourself a test in dark mode just to see if there's any white spacing or anything. If there is, you want to redo this and make sure that you do it right and that each row and column is the same height and width. And that's it for today's video. So if you want this fully done for you, there's going to be a link in the description. If not, I'll see you in the next video.